A galaxy hurtling through space at an incredible speed of 2 million miles per hour has triggered a dramatic collision captured in extraordinary detail by one of the most advanced telescopes on Earth. I will never see the night sky the same way after learning about this cosmic wonder. Let's dive in. In the vast expanse of space, a cosmic ballet is taking place at mind-boggling speeds. Meet Stephan's Quintet, a group of 5 galaxies locked in an eternal gravitational dance. Recently, astronomers captured an extraordinary event. Galaxy NGC 7318b smashing through the Quintet at an incredible 2 million miles per hour. This violent collision triggered a shockwave, rippling through space like a cosmic sonic boom. Using the cutting-edge Weave and LOFAR telescopes, scientists observed this shockwave interacting with both cold and hot gas, creating glowing charged particles and compressed radio waves. This epic event gives us a rare peek into the forces shaping our universe, helping us understand galaxy formation and evolution. And with telescopes like Weave, we're just scratching the surface of the cosmos' many secrets. Stay curious, stargazers. For more on this story, visit the article on Earth.com. There is a link in the description below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest news from the world of science.